Welcome to the GMS Weekly Podcast summary, the world's leading ship recycling market insight for week 38. This week's headline is September Serene. After months of unstoppable volatility, a rare calm finally settles over global trading and ship recycling markets.
Oil edged up a mild 0.17%, but remains 1.4% down this month and 10.8% lower than a year ago. The Baltic Dry Index was mixed. Panamax and Supramax down nearly 2 and 3%, while Capes gained about 1%, leaving the overall index steady. Meanwhile, the US dollar weakened against most key currencies, except Turkey's ever-sliding lira, adding to this week's unusual sense of serenity.
In India, the theme is suspect imports. Alang again led the subcontinent, welcoming about 84,000 LDT of new arrivals, including a few OFAC-listed and sanctioned units that other destinations shunned. All this as Prime Minister Modi's Bhavnagar visit triggered partial shutdowns across Gujarat. Despite a recent historic rupee slide, the INR firmed 21 basis points to 88.09, while local steel plate prices flatlined for a third week at $448 per ton. India continues to dominate LNG recycling sales, keeping demand and pricing reassuringly steady.
In Bangladesh, the word is sporadic. Chattogram remains highly selective, chasing only juicy LNGs and larger LDT units. The taka eased to 121.74, while steel plate prices held firm at $519 per ton. One fresh arrival, a decent LDT tanker, broke the quiet, but with election year uncertainty and a sluggish economy, most local recyclers stay sidelined.
Pakistan is curiously confused. For the third consecutive week, Gadani posted an empty port report. HKC yard upgrades continue, but DASR certification hurdles and a long-standing ban on LNGs keep activity muted. Yet fundamentals remain strong. PKR firmed 18 basis points to 283.44, and steel plate prices hover near the industry's peak at $619 per ton. If upgrades stay on track, Pakistan could re-emerge before year-end.
Turkey continues a silent slide. The lira slipped another 15 basis points to 41.41. Import steel fell for a second straight week, and local yards continue to see little to no tonnage.
From a welcome pause in global volatility to India's steady LNG run, Bangladesh's wait-and-see stance, Pakistan's patient yard upgrades, and Turkey's continued slide. That's your Week 38 snapshot.
For full market charts, prices, and detailed analysis, download the complete GMS Weekly on the GMS app or visit gmsinc.net. Follow GMS on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, and YouTube Music for weekly updates.
Thanks for listening, and until next week, stay safe and stay informed with GMS, the world's largest buyer of ships and offshore assets for recycling.